Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Chronicle AI, an AI-powered slide presentation tool that claims to save time by designing entire presentations for you. We tested it for work and personal projects, and here's what we found. Pros: it really does save time. You type in your topic, and within minutes, it generates a full deck with structured slides, layouts, and even visuals. For brainstorming or starting from scratch, it's a huge time saver. We also like the customization options. We could tweak fonts, designs, and content to fit our style. Cons: while it's fast, the slides sometimes feel generic. If you're making a creative or highly professional pitch, you'll need to edit heavily. The AI also struggles with very specific industries or niche topics. And of course, the subscription isn't cheap. You have to weigh the cost against how often you'll use it. So, worth it or a scam? Definitely worth it if you're a student, business owner, or anyone who makes presentations often. But if you only need a deck once in a while, it might not justify the price. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.